এইদারে করিব সব ভক্তের প্রসাদ। Like Mohan, Mohan, Madan, deep separation mood. When Brajagopi leave him in Mathura, Brajabhumi, and Sri Krishna leave him in Dwarka. Brajagopi, they are feeling separation. By the deep separation mood, they are feeling Sri Krishna coming near. He is talking with us and praying, so many praying. When Sri Krishna meeting with gopis, that time they are feeling deep separations. Like Sri Krishna going long distance, he reject. In this way, we are not living with Sri Krishna, feeling deep separation. This is called Madanakha mood. When gopis they are living in Kurukshetra, meet with Sri Krishna, at that time they are feeling their separations, deep separations. They are not happy. When Sri Krishna going long distance, then they are feeling Krishna coming near. This is Madanakha. This wonderful mood manifest in this world. In this way, Sri Krishna told, এই সব রস নির্যাস করিব আস্বাদ, এই দ্বারে করিব সব ভক্তের প্রসাদ। So I am tasting this rasa niryas. I am giving mercy to devotees. They are tasting, they are feeling this mood. This is Brajavasi's mood. Brajer nirmal rag, suni bhaktagan, রাগ মার্গে ভজে যেন ছাড়ে ধর্ম কর্ম। Brajavasi pure mood, pure love and affection. When devotees they are hearing, then they are following to Brajavasis, Brajagopis. Following to Brajagopis, by this mood, they are following this bhakti, rag marga bhakti. Then they left this opulence mood, following pure mood, too much ecstatic mood, attachment. এই বাঞ্ছা জয়ছে Krishna Prakatyakara Asur Sangar Anusanga Prayoja. When Sri Krishna this desire, this mood coming, I am showing this mood, Brajavasi's mood, Brajagopi's mood, Radhika's mood. Then they are following to Radha. They are following to gopis. At that time, indirectly, directly, indirectly, Asur Sangha, oh, necessary to kill demons. In this way, going in material world. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I am not killing to demons. This time, I change their mind, change their heart, give him this bhakti. In this way, Chaitanya Krishna, he is Swam Bhagavan himself. Yug Dharma Pravartan manifest, Yug Dharma, no his desire. So, no his desire. Kono karane jave khaila avatare man, Yug Dharma kal khaila se kale mila. Bhalo to? Wow. When he has desired, oh, I manifest myself, I will come to work. At that time, Yug Dharma come, oh, Yug Dharma time is coming. Same time is coming. Yug Dharma, what is? Yuga Dharma? Harinam Sankirtan Prachar. Give him Harinam Sankirtan to everyone. Everyone chant Harinam. Like Karuna Avatar. Karuna Avatar means? Karuna means? Mercy. Mercy is Karuna. Great mercy. So incarnation, Karuna. What is incarnation? Karuna, Sri Krishna, great kindness, Karuna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this world and he manifests. Everyone chant Harinam. Whole world will be peaceful, happy. One side, give him Harinam Sankirtan, everyone chant Harinam. Everyone chant Harinam. Other way, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's great mercy. Why he came? This devotion, love, Ragmai Bhakti, Brajavasi's mood. There are topmost Brajagopi's mood. Brajagopi's mood is Radhika's mood. How is Radhika's mood? So, how they are following this mood? How is Radhika's manifest this mood? So same mood they can taste and follow this Radha Gopi. This devotion, Ragmai Bhakti, manifest this world. So two things. One is Sri Krishna tasting this mood.
所以是कृष्ण知道一个我要去品味
How is Brajagopi's mood? Brajavasi.
大家没有把它心素质上
Other is
另外一个呢
Harinam Sankirtan.
七宗圣名的
I am giving to everyone.
给予这种
Everyone, they can chant Harinam.
可以这样的东西给所有的人，每个人可以用所圣名。
Like when Sri Krishna
就像是कृष्ण
driving chariot,
कृष्ण在这个战车
Arjun chariot,
驾着阿朱那的战车，
Sri Krishna is sitting there
कृष्ण就在哪？坐在哪里？
driving this chariot.
就在这个战车上，就是驾驶。
Arjun killed two demons,
阿朱那杀死了
opposite persons. Anyway, he is killing two enemies. But that time,
但是那个时候，
all are fighting, quarreling, falling on the ground.
在
Parthastra Puta Padma Puras Partha Arjun.
战场上，
Why the Arjun arrows? Why the Arjuna's arrows
阿朱那的箭
should all demonic person, opposite persons falling? At that time they become pure, change their mind, and watching to Sri Krishna.
得到改变，
When they are watching to Sri Krishna, that time they got liberation.
他们立刻得到解脱。
Padamapurasya Parampad,
好，
topmost, going to liberation.
可以最高的所谓的解脱，
Very easily
非常容易的，
they are going to liberation way.
他们知道了这种
Padamapurasya,
之所
they got Parampad, topmost. Same way.
是同样的，
So many people are going now dying.
很多人，
Everyone become dies.
就像现在这个时刻，很多人都是，
How become peaceful? How become happy?
但是他们的死亡经历，
How they got liberations?
不会安逸，
Only Srimad Bhagavata spoke,
只有不再把它
chant Harinam.
念诵圣名，
Hare Namanu Kirtanam. Only one process, Harinam
只有
Sankirtan.
诵圣名运动，
Only Harinam Sankirtan. In this way, they are getting liberation.
只有这个七圣名圣名的运动，他们就可以得到。
Huge people, they are dying.
在这个时候，七个病人情况下，很多人死去，
But they chant Harinam.
但是如果他们念诵圣名，
Remember to Sri Krishna.
铭记是 Krishna。
No any other help, no anyone helping. Only Sri Krishna helping.
这样的话，只有是神会帮助，
Giver of liberation, He is giving liberation.
领着所有的解脱。
In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this Harinam.
因此，只是要拿来给予这个圣名。
এই দুই হেতু दो cause, two cause.
二原因，
Mahaprabhu come in with devotee.
想要把各种东西的理解，
अपने आस्वादे प्रेम नाम संकीर्तन. He is tasting प्रेम अदर हरे नाम.
放出看
नाम प्रेम माला जाते
所有的
पराइल संसारे সেই द्वारे आचंडाले कीर्तन संचारे. For everyone,
因为每个人，
only one process, Hare Nam Sankirtan.
他的妄想，
Hare Krishna.
他的有心，
Other way, prem, devotion. This mala, this is garlands.
这个念珠
Giving to everyone, oh my dear friend, everyone, take these garlands. What is this garland? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Om Nandi.
Jai Gaur
Okay? After short time, after breakfast. 10 o'clock, 10:30 or 11.
कैसे?
Okay? Gaur Brahmande, Hare Hare.
Hey!
Hey?
Hey, Sanjay, तुम्हारा how to stop? Eh? No, me
এই সূর্য এসে গেল।
বাবা জলের পটটা সই ওই পাশে রেখে চলে সই এই ক্যামেরা স্টপ
Camera stop.
এই সুজারু কেমন আছো?
Char.
এই কেমন হলো?